Yeah, I just want to show you guys today how you can use these Roland blades with a Silhouette Portrait 2, or just any Silhouette, I think. So you get these blades, they're like way cheaper than the Silhouette, because the Silhouette makes it so that you have to replace the whole, like this entire thing each time. But with the Roland blades with the Graph-Tech, this is called I think it's a Graph-Tech CB09. You just have to replace the blade, so it works out a lot cheaper. It's like 20 or 30 cents maybe a blade. And just get these blades out, and there's one blade. Well, there's many blades, but you just need to get one blade out and one spring. Just very small springs in there. And then I'm going to unscrew this black part. See, I've already got my blade in there. Spring. The spring, so you won't have to take it out if it's the first time, obviously, but so you get the blade out. The red, there should be like a cover over the blade, so you'll have to remove that. That'll expose the blade here, and then you get the blade, and the sharp end should be poking this way towards you, the tip of the blade, and the other end should be going, it's got like a little hole in there that you put it into, and then this tiny wee spring we put over top of the blade. It's over the blade. Then we just screw this cap back on. Need to shorten it. You can adjust the blade by twisting this knob here, and then put this cap on. Okay, so get that cap on and screw this back on, and then to adjust the blade depth, you just twist this, and as you can see it starts to expose. So yeah, you just want to play around with that and get the right setting. And then on your Silhouette, I'm guessing you're just gonna use the same setting like vinyl, and then adjust this blade until you get it to the right depth so it's cutting correctly. Just going to show you guys how to put it in your Silhouette. So we're just going to pull that out, and push it in like that. It does take a little bit more force, still got to be careful with it. And yeah, cheers for watching. This is the end result. First one I did, the blade was like way exposed. It was like, I don't know how far it was sticking out, but I wound it back so just like the point of the blade, just the very point was sticking out of the blade holder. Then I just used the regular settings for vinyl on the Silhouette Studio. That came out pretty sweet, so pretty chuffed about that. Very easy to weed, and the edges look very nice and crisp too, so pretty chuffed. But yeah, it's going to save a lot of money. I'll leave some links on Amazon where you can get the Graph-Tech holder, blade holder, and blades if you want to check that out. Cheers for watching, and go ahead and subscribe and if you want, and I'll see you guys later.